Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. I am just finishing up building this 1996 Evolution motor. Totally rebuilt it from bottom on up, and I'm going to put it in this motor. But before I do that, we have a policy here at Low Country Harley-Davidson. If anything is wrong inside your motor and metal, such as cam bearings, lifter bearings, any type of heavy-duty metal has gone throughout your motor, and the reason we've taken it out to rebuild it, we're going to clean the oil pan, because that's where oil from your motor has gone in, dropped deposits, gone back up, and we want your motor to have the best chance of living on. So on this 1996, it's not that difficult. We have 10 Allens that we do. I use two different 3/16 Allens. Why a ball and why not? Well, early models, they're in there for the longest time, and a ball Allen will break off real easily, so I use this. But Harley-Davidson put a hole in the frame, and I use a ball Allen to go up and get to this Allen in here. So that's why I have a ball Allen in my tools to get to that. So I drop the oil pan down, and I am going to bring this out, but there's a little tech tip I want you to remember. Please remember this tech tip. Before you pull this pan out, there's something sticking out down there. Let's see if I can get my flashlight on it. Yeah, the main oil dipstick. Please remember to take this out. If you don't, it'll break or it'll fight you the whole way. So, I'm going to take this out. And of course, we've drained the oil, main oil and transmission oil. Why transmission oil? Because the drain is through the pan. So if you take out the pan, the transmission oil is going to come out anyway. So we've already drained transmission, regular oil, 10 bolts out. And then while I've got the motor out, I'm going to slide this forward and take it out. Now, you can probably see all the little kind of metal filings and stuff that has been maybe through the years since 1996, but also what happened to this motor. So I'm going to take this out and clean it. Now, in late models, they put a baffling system in, twin cam, M8, and they've riveted it in. Now, yeah, I have seen a lot of shops say, hey, just grind these out, retap, put screws in, but why? Yes, it saves a little bit of money, but you're just putting 3 to 4 figures into your motor, and you're going to modify the oil pan, clean it, and then take it out. Buy a new oil pan. That's my strong opinion. Buy a new oil pan. So you got new oil pan, clean, that's going to bring clean oil into your motor, so your motor will last a lot longer. If you're having your motor rebuilt at a shop, a small shop, or a dealership, talk to them about the oil pan. When they're talking about, okay, we're going to do this to your bottom end, we're going to replace the flywheels, we're going to do this and that, and you'll say, and you're replacing the oil pan? Or on this early model, you're taking it out and cleaning it as best you can and putting it back in? Make them aware. You're aware. This is very important for the life of your motorcycle. Wanted to share this at Low Country Harley-Davidson. Just a little tech tip so your motor will last a lot longer. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.